Dear students, let us begin with the second part of the lesson in which you will learn about the extraction of univariate frequency tables. Before we are constructing univariate descriptive tables, you have to know the different types of data analysis. First one is univariate analysis. In the univariate analysis, only one variable is taken for analysis. For suppose you want to calculate the age distribution of that particular data set, you only consider the age variable. Bivariate analysis, when two variables are taken for analysis, suppose you want to find the relationship between height and weight, that time you will consider height as one variable and weight as another variable. Similarly, multivariate analysis, when more than two variables are used for analysis. Variable selection, choose the variable of interest for your analysis, either it may be a univariate or bivariate or multivariate. Univariate frequency tables provide a summary of the distribution of single categorical or discrete variable. Univariate analysis, first you have to select analyze menu, then click descriptive statistics, then click frequencies. If you click the frequencies, then you will get the box frequencies box in your SPSS package. In the variable box, you have to select the particular variable which you want to do the analysis. Then click statistics, you will get the frequencies statistics box. Here you may see the different statistical measures, percentile values, central tendency values, dispersion values and skewness and kurtosis. You just check whatever you want, then click continue, then click OK. Then click chart button, this chart option will be appear. Here we may see different charts, bar charts, pie charts, histogram. This SPSS provides various display options for univariate frequency table such as percentages, cumulative frequencies and bar charts. Choose the appropriate display format that best represents the distribution of your variable. Here you may see frequencies or percentage. If your charts with the frequency, you just click the frequencies. If you want the percentage, then click the percentage option, then click continue, then click OK. Missing values, decide how to handling missing values before conducting the analysis. Determine whether to exclude cases with the missing data or input missing values based on the nature of your study and the variables involved. Frequencies procedure, use the frequencies procedure in SPSS to generate a frequency table. This table displays the categories or values of the variable and their corresponding frequencies, which is the frequency table output, which is we will get the SPSS package. Here the top of the table, the variable name is displayed. In the first column, we will see the variable values and their corresponding value labels. The second column is the frequency. Frequency is nothing but the just count for that particular values. That means value 1, the count is 438. Similarly, we will see other counts. The total of the frequency count is 1036. Here we may find the missing values, which is give label as DK. That means the missing values count is 20, which means that among the 1036 respondents, 20 respondents does not give the response for these particular questions. Then percent is the percentage. We will get individual frequency divided by total frequency into 100. That means 438 divided by 1036 into 100, we will get the 42.3 as the percentage. Similarly, we will get all the percentage for all the variables. Finally, we will get the 100 as a total. Then valid percent, it means that it omit the missing values. We will find the percentage for valid informations only. Cumulative percent, which is calculated from the valid percent. That means 43.1 adding with 34.1, we will get the 77.2. Similarly, 77.2 add with 17.6, then 94.8. Similarly, it will come around 100% for valid informations only. Some important terms. Variable names. Variable names are used to refer to variables and use them in analysis. Variable labels. Variable labels are used to describe the variables. Value labels. Value labels are useful to attach a descriptive label to codes of a categorical or continuous variable. Interpretations. When interpreting the results of univariate frequency tables, examine the frequencies of each category and identify the most common and least common categories. Look for any patterns or trends that may provide insight into the distribution of your variable. Dear students, let us summarize what we have learned in this part. In the part, we have discussed constructing univariate frequency table in SPSS, and also we have discussed interpretation of frequency table. I hope this concept will be helpful to you in your research. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.